Last week, I traveled back to my home in Las Vegas. Yay! And I thought I should do a video on what's in my travel bag. But first, ladies, welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. So surprise, surprise, my travel bag is not a Chanel handbag. It is a Kate Spade handbag, which I had for 6 years. And whenever I fly by plane, this is the handbag I carry. The reason I picked this handbag is because first is the color 10. To me, 10 color is very versatile. It goes with just about every outfit, every color out there. I also picked this handbag because one, it's very sturdy. I had it for so many years and there's no tear in the handbag. It's holding up really well. But also it's very big. I like it because it opens up this way, so I can fit a lot in it. But then also once I zip it here at the top, and then it's like this, it folds over, so all my contents in the bag are very secure. And when I wear it, I just wear it, I carry it like this by the handles. So this is how it looks when it's all packed up. So now let's look what's in my travel bag. First, it has this one humongous pocket right here. In this pocket, I always put things that I'm okay if I lose them, because obviously it's easier to lose things out of this pocket. So the only thing I have in this pocket are these audio wires, and you're kind of mangled up. Normally I do not have the white audio wire. I know that's Chadwick, but I had it this time because I was in a Zoom meeting and I needed this to help me through the flight. Then I have these audio wires and I'll show you how I use them. So then on the inside of the handbag, I open it, and the first thing I have, hey Richie, is my iPad. I always carry my, there's a Bishan head right there. Life of doggies. Hey Richie, there you are, good boy, sit, good boy. I always carry my iPad because a lot of times my husband and I watch a movie, and the way these wires work, they plug into the audio slot, and then I have one set of audio and my husband has the other set, so we both listen but watch the same movie from the iPad. So this is a must for us when we travel. Since we got Richie, we haven't watched as many movies because he's basically like traveling with an infant, so that has not worked out too well. The other thing I always have in my handbag, travel bag, is a book. I currently have The Cry of the Soul by Dan Eliander. It's a really good book. Then I always carry in here prescription medication and a few spare, yes Richie, a few spare contacts. I always put contacts in the luggage that I check in, but I always carry a few with me in my handbag. God forbid my luggage gets lost, at least I have some contacts as backup, because I couldn't see without my contacts. So prescription medication and contacts always go in my bag. Okay, Ricardo, there you are. Good boy. You want to sniff this? There, sniff that. Of course, I always have my wallet. It's a very worn out wallet. I think I had it for 10 years. Then I have my business cards because I'm a businesswoman now. Lifestyle with Isabella, business cards. And then I have a little travel mirror. I don't know why, I never use it. I think because I got it for free. A brush, which I never use. I really need to stop carrying it. And then a charger for my phone. This is a very crappy charger though. I have my husband's reading glasses. I have a pair of my husband's reading glasses in every handbag I carry. And then I also have the keys to my home on the East Coast. But then in this other separate pocket, I have the keys to my home in Las Vegas. So I keep them separate so I don't confuse them. Then the last thing I have is, and I keep them in a little pocket on your own, is my Tic Tacs and my lip balm. And I used to just put all of them in the big hole there. But oh my gosh, when I need Tic Tacs and my lip balm, I need them right then. So now I learned to put them in a little pocket, easily accessible away from everything. So that's all I have in my travel handbag. It's not a lot. I don't like to carry too much because it gets heavy on my hand. If I do fly somewhere where I know I'm going to fall asleep, in this bag, I'm also going to put my jewelry. The reason is this handbag goes underneath my seat, and I know that nobody's gonna get to it. I always have this fear that if I put my jewelry in my carry-on and then I put that up top, someone can take my jewelry away. Then I would not be very happy. So if it's a very long flight and I'm gonna be sleeping, then I'm also gonna have my jewelry in here. I would love to hear what you ladies carry in your travel handbag. I always learn when I listen to someone else's travel tips or how they travel, because travel is always tricky and tiring, and each of us come up with our own little tricks and tips to make travel easier. Let me know what's in your travel handbag. I would love to learn. Also, pick another one of my videos to watch. It will mean so much to me and Richie. He's getting very impatient. Thank you so much, ladies. Bye.